Dang, prices have gotten pretty crazy lately, right? For that reason, I wanted to make a video of a super delicious pasta recipe for you. It's budget and time friendly, its preparation is simple, and it's a really versatile recipe. It makes a lot of leftovers, can feed a lot of people, or it's simple enough to pack up and take on the road or camping. So let's get started. The main ingredients you'll need are 1 sweet potato, 1 package of tempeh, about half to a full package of broccoli, half a package of shredded parmesan, and 1 package of bowtie pasta. For the marinade, you'll need olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and if you have it, everything but the bagel seasoning or another multi-seasoning. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then make the marinade in a 13x9 baking dish. Mix together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and your seasonings. I don't measure this out, I just go by feel. You want enough liquid to coat everything once it's mixed in, so trust your senses and adjust to taste. Dice the sweet potato into cubes and toss it into the dish with the marinade. Next, dice the tempeh into cubes and add that in as well. Break up the broccoli florets into small or medium-sized pieces and add them to the dish. Stir everything around until all the ingredients are thoroughly coated. Spread them out evenly in the pan, then cover it with foil. Bake for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take off the foil, give everything a quick stir, and then let it bake uncovered for another 15 minutes to get a little crisp on the veggies and tempeh. When it's done, pull the pan out and set it aside. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add the whole package of bowtie pasta, give it a quick stir, and cook it according to the time on the package. When it's finished, drain the pasta water. Then, pour the roasted mixture from the pan into the pot and stir it all together. Add in about a half package of shredded parmesan and give it another mix. And that's it! Your roasted sweet potato, tempeh, and broccoli bowtie pasta is ready to serve. I like to pair it with a simple side salad. Alright, so that's the recipe. Before I dive in completely, I just wanted to say thank you for watching my video and for making it to the end. If you try out the recipe and you like it, please let me know in the comments below. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel. I think life is really awesome and I just want to make videos to share that with other people. So until then, stay awesome and I'll see you soon.